Assalamualaikum. Hello B4U family, SR family, all over the world, top leaders, management, and members and partner. This is my first appearance after a long time. Everyone know that what happened to us in Pakistan, and all our management, all our businesses are stopped due to some reason. And thanks Allah, thanks all our people and members, those pray for us. And I just come out from the faith, and I will update you what is our future planning. This is first my appearance, and inshallah soon when I talk to my legal team, they will give me the guideline how we will work on it and how we will pay every member single penny. We do not take any advantage, and we do not make any excuse due to the government issue that all people can be suffer. Inshallah, it's my promise to all our members all over the world, especially in Pakistan and other countries, especially those are newly joined member, those join us in 2020, 2021. They never get any profit, they never get anything. We will pay back them first of all, then we pay to our disabled peoples, we will pay to the widows, then we will pay to all members. We do not take any kind of advantage. Just pray for me, just we do the best, inshallah, very soon. And in 2-3 days when I get some more information about my legal team, I will update you. Thank you very much. See you soon. Assalamu alaikum.